guys, how to become a better leader. Vision, optimism, pursuit of excellence, the quest to be the best both professionally and personally, and the empowerment of others are the foundations of a successful leader. So no matter what the situation, the leaders will believe that things can get better and can be done better. The status quo is just not for them, okay? So professionally or personally, they are always in the pursuit of excellence, and they have the ability to empower their followers by listening and then opening the doors for others to literally lead themselves. So successful leaders have disciplined personal attributes, and they will be adept at the two critical characteristics of time and personal management: prioritization and execution. That's what I mean by time is prioritization and execution is personal management. Prioritization and execution meaning they don't make the excuses, they just go for the results. Here are some easy tips to be a better leader starting from now on. 1. Talk about the future. Dare to dream. Leaders think about the future and help others see the future. Don't just get locked into the current business problems and activities. Number 2, always be teaching something new to the people in the organization. Leaders must be involved in their organizations. They must be committed to growing the capability of the organizations. Nothing sends that signal stronger than taking a moment to teach someone something as a leader. They absorb more from you. 3, seek out a new idea from within the organization. Actively look for ideas and then champion them in the organization. This says a lot about the leader's ability really to accept change as a characteristic to improve the organization's performance. Now, number 4, tell someone they did a good job. Good leaders are not afraid to hand out praise when a job, large or small, is literally done well, So this literally, builds a lot of enthusiasm, but not just that, it also builds the trust, in the leader, in the management team, and etc. In fact, the 5 most important words that a leader can speak are, I am proud of you. Number 5, get mad, then get over it. Leave it there. Leaders all have passion for the business, and sometimes this passion turns to anger or frustration. I think you can relate to that. This shows the leader is only human. Don't get so critical about yourself. However, an effective leader has the capacity to quickly bounce back or move beyond an emotion into a constructive action. Number 6 is meet someone new in the organization. The leader should get out of the office and say hello to someone new. It is guaranteed that the leader will learn something every time, and it is visible proof to the organization that the leader cares. Number 7, say yes. Authentic leaders are not afraid to making a commitment, to making a choice, to moving on. The leader literally should really find something where they can say a yes. Nothing says the leader trusts the organization more than the power of agreement. So learn to say yes. Number 8 is actively listen. Many leaders talk about being good listeners, but very few of them are really, really good at it. And it's a practice. When a leader is asked to listen to someone, they should use clarifying, confirming skills, not offer their point of view until the presenter says, what do you think? Just at that. Just keep quiet and listen and show you're really interested. Number 9, be enthusiastic. Leaders need to have enthusiasm, need to have the energy in there, and they need to transfer that energy to the organization and the business problems at hand. Okay, so leaders need to practice being outrightly enthusiastic about an idea, and they will see how significantly people really change. And last but not the least, leaders ought to have fun. Leaders typically enjoy what they are doing, no matter how tough the task. People want to follow someone who enjoys what they're doing and to be part of a fun environment, having that momentum, having the rhythm. It passes on as an energy to everybody. So these are the 10 characteristics that makes you a great leader, and you can just these are the tips you can just use starting off right now. If you really want to know more expanded way of your personality change as a leader, do let me know and give our team a call, and we will be more than happy if you want to just help you and give you more value addition on that. This is Priscilla Kambata, changing lives of every committed business owner.